Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the licks in the band. Legacies.
Hello guys, welcome back. I'm just a YouTuber, the host of this channel, and today is another Twitch tutorial on beginners for streamers, essentially. So this series essentially shows you the basics on how to stream and more. So today, if you haven't seen by the title, I'm going to show you how to get overlays for your stream. This both is animated and static overlays, and this is going to be going through a program called Slobs, which I'm using currently to record. There's different tabs in the top left area up here. And essentially what this is your dashboard for reviewing your stats of your stream. Your chat bot that they just started coming out with that's still kind of in the making. I personally don't use it yet because it's still kind of beta. The App Store, which is kind of new and I'm not really too sure what it is. And then themes. To add different overlays, you want to go to themes. So as you see here, there's a bunch of animated and static overlays, and to install these you have to have the Slobs program installed and have to go through the actual program to get these onto your software. And like I said, it's all free. You don't have to pay a dime. The program's free to install, and these overlays are free to install onto the program as well. So let's say if you want a certain color, these are all like filters. So just for shits and giggles, I'm gonna do purple for my color theme. And these are all different scenes that you can choose from, and then these are different categories that they have listed for the overlays. So I'm not too sure what logic is, but basically what you do is just search through all these and you find one that you basically like. Ignition. So as you see, it shows you in the preview what the animation is, and basically when you hit install, it's going to be in this layout form, and then you have these two right here: starting soon, be right back. So once you've picked your theme or the overlay that you want, you essentially go up here and it says install overlay. You click on that, and this will start, the program will start installing this overlay. Sorry, I had a little bit of a stroke mid-sentence. So right now it's installing this overlay, and it should just jump into the scene after it's done installing. So let's just give it a minute here.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along?
And there we go. Go down to where it says background delete me, which is usually all the way at the bottom because this program uses it as layers, kind of like an OBS. So whatever's on top is going to be shown, above everything else. So you just go here, and just delete that bitch by hitting the delete button and OK. And then that will be gone. You don't need it. It's just there for whenever they're setting up the overlays, essentially. And by default, it will have your recent donator, your recent follower, and whatnot. I actually really like this overlay, so I might even use it next stream. Now, you don't have to necessarily have the webcam. You can customize it any way you want by just going to your editor and whatnot. So you can turn these off, delete them, lock them in place, move them around, and whatnot. So like I said, if you guys want a tutorial on the widgets, I'd be more than happy to do it. I know it's weird seeing a face cam. I'm going to move this because it's bothering me. But that's basically how you do it. If you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate, drop it down in the comment section. And if you want immediate help, also there's a new Discord link down in the description. You click on that, insert a ticket in the Discord chat, and I will be more than happy to assist you, or one of my assistants or mod members in the channel. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you guys for your recent support. And I hope this video helped, and if you guys have any recommendations for another tutorial, or if there's something I didn't cover yet in this series that you want to be shown, don't hesitate, drop it down in the comment section or hit me up on social media. All the links are down there for you guys. And with that said, I'll see you guys next week in a next video. Stay classy.